student, and welcome to another math lesson. We've been spending time counting objects from 1 to 10, counting forward, finding some missing numbers, finding missing objects, and spending time finding one more. And now we're going to spend time counting backwards from 10 to 1. So our math thinking job today is I can order quantities from 0 to 1 and match numbers. Thumbs up and repeat after me. I can order quantities from 10 to 1 and match numbers. So we're going to look at the numbers 10 to 1, match them with their written number, and use our dot cards to put them in order. Here we go. When we count forward, we start with 1 and we go all the way to 10. Today, we want to count backwards. We're going to count backwards from 10. So the first number we're going to start with is the number 10. We know when we count forward, we add one more. So one more of 9 is 10. Now we want to count backwards. So we're going to do one less. So one less of 10, if we take 1 away from 10, we get 9. 9 is 1 less than 10. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 less than 7 is 6. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 3 is 2. And 1 less than 2 is 1. Now that we went through and counted from 10 to 1, describing how we did that, we took 1 away. Let's go back and count from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've just looked at the numbers. Now let's count down using our fingers. In a moment, we're going to look at our dot cards, but let's use a tool that will help us remember the numbers as we count. We can use our fingers to help us count. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to practice counting down from 10 using the numbers and using your fingers. Now that we've learned how to count just using the numbers 10 to 1 using our fingers and know the number before is 1 less, let's match our dot cards to our numbers. I put our numbers in a line. We're going to count from left to right, starting with 10. How many dots should be on the first card I move up? The first number we're going to count from is 10. How many dots should be on that card? 10. We should have 10 dots on the card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know this is a 10 frame card because there's 2 5 groups. There are 10 dots. 1 less of 10 is 9. 9 is 1 less than 10. How many dots should be on this card? There should be 9 dots. What about the next dot card? 8. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you are going to do the next 3 numbers. What number comes next? 7. 7 is 1 less than 8, and you can see that on the dot cards, we took 1 dot away to make 7. What comes next? 6, 5, So 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. How many dots should be on this next one? 2. And this one, 1. Let's go back to 10 and count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When we look at our dot cards, we notice 1 dot is taken away every time we count down from 10. 9 is 1 less than 10, 8 is 1 less than 9, 7 is 1 less than 8, 6 is 1 less than 7, 5 is 1 less than 6, 4 is 1 less than 5, 3 is 1 less than 4, 2 is 1 less than 3, 1 is 1 less than 2. Your teacher might pause the video and have you practice counting down more with the dot cards. Now we need to fill in the missing numbers. Starting with 10, your teacher is going to pause the video and you are going to find the missing numbers counting down. Then we're going to fill in with the dot cards. What did you come up with? Let's see. 10, 9, 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 8 is 7, 6, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. That means I should have 10 dots here, 9 dots here, 8 dots here, 7 dots here, 6 dots here. My dots need to match my number card. So when I go back, I can count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Let's try this one. Your teacher's going to pause the video, fill in the missing numbers, and decide what dots go in what box. Here we go. We're starting with 5. What is 1 less than 5? 4. 4 comes before 5, which is 1 less than 5. What comes before 4? 1 less than 4 is 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means to match my number, I need 5 dots here, 4 dots here, 3 dots here, 2 dots here, and 1 dot here. Let's count down our dot cards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Practice counting backwards from 10 to 1. We're going to practice showing how we're taking 1 away, showing 1 less. You do this all the time in Problem of the Day. We show 1 less by using an X, crossing out. So right now, we're going to count the balloons, then cross 1 out, and then count and write how many balloons are left in the box. So your teacher is going to pause the video. You're first going to count the balloons. Then you're going to cross out 1 to show 1 less, and then decide how many balloons you have left. Okay. First, you counted 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 balloons. Then you showed 1 less by crossing out 1 balloon. Now we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 balloons. That means 3 is 1 less than 4. 3 is 1 less than 4. We had 4 balloons. Then we took 1 balloon away by crossing it out with an X, and now we have 3. 3 is 1 less than 4. Let's try this one. You're going to count the basketballs, cross out 1 basketball to show 1 less, and then count and write how many basketballs are left. Let's see how many we had first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You crossed 1 out to show 1 less, and now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is 1 less than 6. You started with 6 basketballs. Then you crossed out 1 with an X to show 1 taken away, and now you have 5. 5 is 1 less than 6. Today in Seesaw, you're going to continue to count from 10 to 1, writing the number, showing the dots, as well as showing 1 less by crossing out and writing the number of how many. Until next time, Kipsters, bye.